Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about homeschooling. My name is Jake, I'm a 13-year-old. I was born in Britain, UK, London. However, my mom is American, but my dad is still British. But we've been moving quite around a lot. So we've lived in the UAE in the past, and we've just moved back and we're thinking to move back again. So we've moved around quite a few times. And what I've decided, after a lot of convincing to my dad, because he was against the idea, that I should do homeschooling because I also had some troubles in school with social and peer issues. So today I'm going to be unboxing one of my first books. Not all of my books have arrived yet, but hopefully I can start studying as soon as possible when I get all of them. Just before I get on into this unboxing, I made some footage of just right when I'd started to do homeschool, and that was just over the Christmas holidays, and every other child that was in my area was off from school and it was holiday time. So this other footage will show you just the basic activities and routine I will get up to when I'm in my homeschooling. If you would like to get right ahead into the unboxing, the timestamps will be in the description below so you can skip ahead.
Best things I found about Visa debit card from Lloyd's, which is the under 19s account, is that you get a 1.5% annual equivalent rate, and on top of that you get a real Visa debit card, so you feel like an add-on. You can use it in shops, and you can use it on Apple Pay, just like a regular card. And there's so many things. There's also online banking, among many other things, and you can get discounts on things as well. Do they know it's Christmas time at all? I am loving the sandwich. This is from Pret a Manger. This is the Christmas special that donates 50p, and it has butternut squash, cranberry, stuffing, and rocket in there too, and it's really good. And then we have this butternut dom shop soup, which is vegan as well, and by the way, this is vegan too. And then we have the dairy, no gluten, and then we have tomato one. This has no dairy, no gluten, same vegan, and it's the best. And then we have our fizzy drinks here, which is the grape and elderflower, and then the ginger beer and the sparkling lemonade. I have to come and try it here at Pret a Manger, Tunbridge Wells, because it absolutely is the best food.
Let me get my trusty little knife out just to open the stickers and everything on the box. So what happens in Wolsey Hall when you get your books? Your tutors order them for you from Amazon or wherever it is, and they ship them over to you, so they're specific. So, right. Okay. Ooh, okay, so we got more than one book here. First one we have Zoom Español, which is my Spanish book, and this is for year 9. So this is all the grammar, shopping, all the different topics I cover. Then next one we have in this big package is my iMaths. Now I used to use this in my old school, but I never really got the textbook for it, so I need to get my login from my other tutor, in my maths tutor, so that's going to be great as well because I've used that before. And the final book in this pile is the geography book 2, so the 4th edition from Oxford, and it has general things like encyclopedias and everything you need to study as well. So these are the 3 books I have. As I was saying, these books get ordered by your tutors, and if you lose them or anything, the teachers will give you the ISBN code so that when you type it up on Amazon, you can get the specific book that they really want you to need. So, anyway, my motive for this channel is to show parents and show kids that it's not going to be bad for your homeschool. It's not going to be, you don't have to be skeptical. You don't have to be nervous about what you have to do with these types of things, because it will be easy. You'll get through them, and you have such helpful tutors from the Wolsey Hall that will Skype you, or if you need to message, if you're not understanding something, they will go through the process with you 100%. And it has absolutely been an amazing experience so far, and I just want to show people that it's going to be the right thing for you, whether you're a professional athlete or you're just a general person who's been bullied in school, or I just want to show you or help understand that this is going to be the best path for you if you're being interested in it. Thank you for watching. Anyway, if you wanted to know about what homeschool I would go to, this is Wolsey Hall, Oxford. Now, I'm not sponsoring everything or anything about this website. However, they have some very good alumni there, including Nelson Mandela, who took his law degree there when he was in jail. So, it is absolutely amazing, and all the staff there are absolutely amazing. They will answer your questions if you have to talk to them online, or you can Skype them if it's something's very complex and difficult. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This video is not sponsored by Wolsey Hall or anything. Thank you, and also click the bell with the 2 rings.